Hi everyone, this is the fourth part of our series. Today we'll start by refining the pose. We'll add more definition to the fingers. I'll show you how to use the knife tool to create new polygons exactly where we need them, without increasing the overall density of our mesh. Now, let's refine all vertices to make the surface cleaner and more balanced. We'll now extrude the tiny finger shapes, replicating the technique demonstrated earlier. So, we've got our little fingers ready. Now, let's select the faces and start positioning the fingers where they should be. We'll make a few adjustments. Remember, you can select faces, edges or vertices, depending on what you need to move. Use the arrows on the gizmo or the G hotkey to grab and reposition elements precisely. The same applies to scaling and rotation. You can either use the gizmo controls from the menu or rely on the hotkeys we discussed in the previous videos. Now, let's move on to shaping the fingers on the back leg. We'll repeat the same steps we used for the front one. Now that we've modeled the simple yet cute and elegant stylized cat, it's time to add some fur. To do this, go to the Properties panel to Particles tab, then click plus, New to create a new particle system. From the Type drop-down, select Hair, and this will instantly generate strands of hair on the surface of our model. I'll show you the basic hair settings. We'll take a closer look at hair creation and dynamics in one of our future videos, once we've gained a bit more experience. First, let's adjust the hair length. I want the fur to look a little shorter and softer. We'll skip the other parameters for now and move down to the children section. Here, instead of simple, choose interpolated. This type of child hair follows the shape of the parent's trance and create a much fuller, smoother coat. Once we enable children, you will immediately notice how the fur becomes denser and more natural. Now, let's briefly look at the climbing settings. This value controls how tightly the hair strands group together, forming small logs or tufts. I'll keep mine at 0, but feel free to experiment with it if you want a more stylized or messy fur look. Next, we'll assign a vertex group so the fur is only located on specific parts of the cat's body. To do that, let's temporarily switch back to edit mode. I've turned off the visibility of the mirror and subdivision modifiers. You can do the same anytime if they distract you while modeling. Just click the little monitor of viewport icons next to them. In edit mode, select the faces where you want the fur to appear. Then go to Object Data Properties, Vertex Groups, click plus to create a new group, and press Assign. This links the selected faces to that group. If you accidentally selected too many faces, you can check it by pressing Select, review what's highlighted, and then click Remove to take them out of the group. If you forgot to include some faces, just select them and press Assign again. Then we'll add them to the same group. Remember, pressing Select always shows you which area belongs to your current Vertex group. I'll refine the ear a little, just extruding the central face inward and removing it from the full Vertex group, so no hair grows inside the ear. Now let's turn the mirror modifier and subdivision surface modifier back on and select the vertex group we created earlier. As you can see, the fur now appears only the areas we defined. Thank you all for watching, for your likes and comments. We'll continue working on our cute cat in the next video.